You like after show tomorrow, Farhan and me and the best comedian of Somali take one videos, okay? I give one video, I give two videos. My brother Farhan, my management, our team, this team to all comedians of Somali. I can after I'm not going to Dar es Salaam, I can give two videos comedy, the best comedy. Welcome to Kenya. Sawa. Karibu bwana. Yeah. Mimi ni mwananchi. How are you? I'm fine. Somali, right? Yeah. This brother, I'm to TikTok. This brother, I have one video for this brother. Since the brother of America. You have seen the brother of America. No. Yeah, so my best talented. Let's go. Okay, give the music. Okay, what is your name? Sufi. And you? Jeke. Iyo sawa. Jeke. Brother, father. Nuka Ali Muhammad. Nuka Muhammad. Ali Keto. Yes, Nuka. DJ. Okay, so thank you very much. Thank you to come to support me. To support Basadin, yeah. Yeah. Sadin, yeah. I'll do my dad. Would you have Hazard? What? This? Hey, how are you today? Why? You got this pretty guy to the Why this? Why? But give the translation so
السلام عليكم. والله كتبتك. هذا سمعنا لو وقت قالوا كنا نتاجن. هو قرشين تنقل على غير على النقطة وحرمنا وقت في عين صوب النجمة. لكن قرشين تنقل على التاسع اللي قلنا. فقعنا سمعنا وقت ما داموا نويري وبيننا. أنا حتى هذا سحمتنا إلى الكيرين وسحمت